Yo, what's up, everybody? J2O Keeping Real Force King back for another podcast episode. This episode is to kick off 2023. And 2023, it's about to be a crazy year. So far, the way 2022 ended, we ended with one of the biggest annual drops since 2008 for the stock market. You had the Dow reach historical lows. And based off investing.com, there's some articles about it, about the US stocks that closed out Friday of the end of the year, capping the yearly sharp losses driven by aggressive interest rates hikes to curb inflation, recession fears, and the Russian-Ukraine war, and rising concerns over COVID cases in China. Wall Street three main index booked their first yearly drop since 2018 as a era of loose monetary policy ended with the Federal Reserve fastest pace of rate hikes since 1980s. You have like SP 500, who was pretty much like shed shed 19.4% this year, marking a roughly 8 trillion decline in market cap. And that's just one of the indices. And then you have overall these indices had the biggest decline since 2018 financial crisis. So that in mind, going to 2023, we're still in a downtrend in the market for the US 30. Don't expect it to recover like that based off how this year went. I know this year we're going to election year, so probably towards the end of 2023, as we get closer towards elections, that the market might start to recover due to interest changes and the hype in terms of the economy with the new regime or new changes the president's trying to do. So right now, overall, this year was a bearish market, and next year I do see a continuation of a bearish market for now. So going to 2023, definitely um, manage your risk when it comes to certain investments, especially in the stock market, due to all this fundamental stuff happening with the war, COVID, as well as the interest rates and student loans and all that factored into this bubble. So keep that in mind and trade smart, invest wise. And that concludes the first podcast of the year. We out here. Peace.